Hi, this is Sherwin. You are 16CS304. In this video, we are going to see about linked list. Linked list is a type of data system. The advantage of linked list is that we can store the data where there is free space in the RAM. There is no wastage of free space will be there. This is a header file using namespace std. We are creating a node of structure. This structure is a keyboard. We are creating a node of structure. First is the information, that is the data, and the next node will contain the pointer, that is the address of the next node. If there is no next node, this pod will contain null. Well, in the intimate we are creating a menu for the user using such case. Yeah, in this part, this is a node creation. If you press 1, we are creating a node. This structure of the node is given. The temp is equal to new structure node is created. If temp is equal to null, memory is not allocated. Else, we are telling to temp that the info is equal to value. If there is no next, it's equal to none. This function is inserted. That is, we are inserting node at its beginning. These are the code. This one is the start into temp. Start of next is equal to null. If start has no pointer, it points null. If there's a pointer variable p, start is equal to temp start arrow next equal to p. This function, insert last function, is used to insert a node at the last position, that is the end position. In this function, we are the insert position function. In this function, we are inserting node in the middle somewhere by giving the some number or changing the address. This function delete position is a function where we delete a linked list that we want to delete, and we are linking the arrows between previous node and the next node to the selected node. This is void search. In this function we are searching the node which we have to delete or which we have to add to next thing. This is a display function to display the node whether it's there or not. Let's go into the program. Asking I'm inserting node at beginning 1. Enter the values to be instead of 45. Now I am setting a node at last. Enter the value to be instead of 67. Now I am entering a node at third position. Inserting node at a given position. Enter the value to be 45. Okay. Enter the position I want to place in second position. Now I want to search a node. I want to display it. 6. See, 45, 45, 67. Well, we inserted this node at second position, so it's in 45. I want to search an element. I want to search a 45. So since there are two 45s, both the position came. Now I want to delete a code for particular position. I want to select two, that is 45 and 45. Now I'm displaying it. Sorry, insert node at position. I want to 434. See the position out of n because there is no link between 2 and 3. Now I want to display the node. See 45 and 67. The center 45 you have deleted. Now we are giving a choice that is not mentioned here. See, wrong choice. This is our linked list. Thanks for watching.